Hi Vinil. So నిన్నటి వరకు మనం యాంగులర్ 6 బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. Now this is the time to integrate the theme and ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ని మనం కంప్లీట్ చేయబోతున్నాము. సో బేసిక్గా ఇది ఒక ఈ-కామర్స్ వెబ్సైట్ అనమాట. సో ద క్లయింట్ విల్ సెల్ హిస్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. సో ఆన్లైన్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉంటారు సేమ్ లైక్ ఒక ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ లాగా, బట్ ఓన్లీ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద క్లోత్స్. Here we have almost all the options like adding to the cart. Here you can see the view. Then here we have add to cart option. Then we can compare the any products and we can add to our wish list and same checkout. So how we are doing in real time, the same we are going to implement. At the same time we need a admin dashboard also, so where the admin can manage his products, right? And inventory system and the order management system, everything we are going to go. Once we complete all this process, finally we convert this application into the mobile apps like Android, Windows and iPhone. So that is the process we are going to do from today onwards. The first thing we need to do, we need to integrate this theme into our Angular project. Already మనం 2-3 themes తోటి how to integrate అనేది తెలుసుకోవడం జరిగింది, but this is another one, right? So same process, but the thing is here we need to take care of all the scripts and images mostly. So let me start for that. So you can use just I created here www.crm.com. So first let me create a new Angular project. So I'm opening git bash here as usual, and మనం తెలిసినవే. So ng new, then it is just make it as ERP something, right? Now when you press enter, it creates a default project for us. Maybe it will take some time, hardly less than 2 minutes we will wait for. So meanwhile you can see here it is being created the required files. It's just one. Once you go inside there, you can see the rest of the files being created. Right, so మనకి ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. Now let me run this. Go to the git bash and make here ng start or npm start, whatever you want. So we see the default structure. అయితే ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థీమ్ we selected, so that we need to include. సో ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ చూసినట్లయితే దిస్ ఈజ్ షాప్ ఇండెక్స్ .html, రైట్? సో ముందుగా ఈ షాప్ ఇండెక్స్ .htmlని విజువల్ స్టూడియోకి డ్రాగ్ చేద్దాం. సో ఓపెన్ హియర్ విజువల్ స్టూడియో 2017. మీన్వెల్ ఇది ఇక్కడ రన్ అయిపోయింది. So we see how the output is. So straight forward, ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంది, మీకు ఒక హెడర్ ఇమేజ్ దెన్ బాటంలో కొన్ని లింక్స్ చూపించడం జరుగుతుంది, రైట్? So now let me open the project here. Go to the open, then folder. Now we stored in apps, then www.crm.com, then here ERP, this. ఓకే, సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం చాలాసార్లు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనేది ఎలా చూడడం జరిగింది కదా. సో ద ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ, వీ నీడ్ టు కాపీ దీస్ సిఎస్ఎస్ ఆర్ ఇమేజెస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ టు ద అసెట్స్. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ దీనికి కూడా అసెట్స్ అని ఉంది కాబట్టి, సో లెట్ మీ కాపీ దిస్ ఫస్ట్. సో గో టు హియర్ సోర్స్, దెన్ హియర్ ఇన్ అసెట్స్ పేస్ట్. It takes some time, just please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, pasted here. Now rename this one, because not really rename but to avoid confusion, that's it. So make here this is UI. Okay, అంటే మన CSS అవ్వచ్చు లేదా images అవ్వచ్చు, all are available in assets folder, then UI folder. That is the thing. So what is the next one? So here we need to integrate shop index.html. So where it is, here you can see shop index.html. Open this in Visual Studio. Now there you can see the HTML markup related to the respective index page that we need to copy into the index.html. So this is the purchased thing. Okay, so these are the license related information, so remove this, not really needed. So at the same time come to the bottom, there also you can see, okay, no, nothing. Okay, something Google Analytics code is there, remove this. Now this, now copy complete HTML, otherwise just you can copy one by one, that is up to you. So the first thing is header font. What are the things we have in header font? These OZ, these really not required, so let me copy these and we change later, depends on our customer information. Here we need these things, this, copy and paste. Okay, now but we need to change the path. Before going to change the path, come to the down, there we have the some scripts also, this. Now copy these scripts from here to here and paste. Change the path. Now those are in assets, then we have UI folder, right? So let me add here assets, then UI. At the same time here also we need to add, let me copy this, we need here or simply you can replace, that is up to you. Paste, paste, paste. Okay, so we've done all the things. Here we have one more thing. ఏది కూడా మిస్ అవ్వకుండా జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు రీప్లేస్ చేసుకోవాలి, లేదు అంటే అక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ తేడా వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. నా ఈ యాప్ రూట్లో ఉన్న ప్రతిదీ కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళి వేర్ వి ప్లేస్ ఇన్ యాప్ కాంపోనెంట్ డాట్ HTML. సో యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ రూటింగ్, రైట్? సో రిమూవ్ దిస్ and come to the shop index.html, then all we need the body, the class name should be observe. You can see few changes in our Angular project. Mostly here images అనేవి కూడా ఏవి కరెక్ట్గా లోడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు, because we need to change the path. So focus on that first. Where are they? So here we have. So let me copy this and replace. So that we need to replace with UI, then again a slash. Okay, so if you want you can replace అంటే మీరు కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఉంటే ఒకేసారి రీప్లేస్ చేసేయండి, లేదు అనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ రీప్లేస్ వన్ బై వన్. HTML, right? Images are loading, everything is working fine. Say if you click, it opens and you can zoom. At the same time here you can see the spinner is going on, the slide will going to change in few seconds, right? But if you observe, maybe ఈ టెక్స్ట్ ఇది రావట్లేదు అనుకుంటున్నాను. So yeah, it is coming, right? So yes, it working perfectly. What about this here also? Right, not really required this one. Anyway, so refresh, then at the top you can see there is okay menu also coming. Still if anything misses, then F12 press chesi, then you can see here these are the things we are getting wrong. So these are the things we are getting wrong. Try to fix all the things first, right? So this one, it is no image 404 in the sense there is no image. Okay, so then so this we need to change. Where it is we need to find out first. Copy this, some point somewhere we use this, where we need to find out. The thing is ఇక్కడ మనం మీరు చూస్తే assets తర్వాత we are not calling the UI and global directly, we are calling the assets global. So that is the problem. So make here entire solution, then find out. సో ఎంటైర్ సొల్యూషన్ ఎందుకంటే ఇంటర్నల్గా వేరే సిఎస్ఎస్లో కూడా దేర్ ఈజ్ అ ఛాన్స్ టు కాల్ ద రెస్పెక్టివ్ అనదర్ సిఎస్ఎస్ అనమాట. ఆ పాత్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నది అన్నది మనకు తెలియాలి కాబట్టి ఎంటైర్ సొల్యూషన్లో మనం దాన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో మీన్ వైల్ we check it out other things. So here again UP, I think this one image is not available, so we try to give like this, then it is UI, still not available, right? Okay, then yes, it is loading from third-party website and cards enable చేయలేదు దానికి. So that is why we are getting the error. So దీనికి ఏం చేయాలి, we need to download that one and we need to include in our website. That is the only option. లేదంటే ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వేరే URL ఏదైనా ఉంటే that we need to use. So these are the 3 errors related to the cards only. Then ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఒకటి మిస్ అయింది, and now this one also we need to find out. ఇక్కడ చూడండి assets తర్వాత UI లేదు, then this is the image 404 error. Okay, we see పట్టుకుందా లేదా చూద్దాం. Still it is searching, so give me some time until it shows where it is. So unable to find the path exactly. So we try to fix this. We try to find this very simple way. Just copy the image and search for the image where they use. It so then we remove or we replace the image, whatever it may be, possibility బట్టి. దొరకకపోతే చేసేది ఏం లేదు. So meanwhile we try to fix this error. So basically the cards error. So what you want to do, just click on this, it will go to the, so right click here, then open in new tab. So it downloads the font తీసుకొచ్చి we need to place in our application. So in UI I'm creating a folder, so nothing but fonts. So in case if you want to install locally, that is another matter, but we need in, right? That is why we are placing here, and we change the link to this path. So come to here where we are using this one. So we are calling this somewhere. Search for those. So here we have the image, right? So ఇక్కడ ఉపయోగిస్తాం అన్నమాట image. It is in layout, then image, icons. So we see it is there or not. So first expand the global or front end, layout, then image, then icons, then tell goods.png. It is there, కానీ ఇది క్యాచ్ చేయలేకపోతుంది. So what we need to do, so where the css is styleshop.css, front end లో pages లో ఉంది, right? So now we need to add something here. We do one thing, assets and UI, then front end and complete URL is not. So this save and refresh. See 104 error పోయింది కదా. So then this one, we need to identify where we are calling this one. So copy this URL, okay, we found this. Go to the respective CSS, it is here. Now change this to our path. Now it is in assets, so we need the last one, right? So remove up to here. So now we need to do here also. So now here I can say 2 only. For this, where it is. So right click, copy link address and paste here. Make this one as okay. Here only we have the rest of the thing. We need to change the path for all these. So copy up to UI. Now this, save, and now refresh. Automatically it get refresh. Now see, do we have any course error? No, we don't have. Then all are related to some images or something. Then we see, yeah, here we have something. What it is given the path double. See, assets UI global plugins fonts. Then again it is coming assets UI font. Okay, so what we need to do, make here some hash. Refresh, you see. Right, we have only 6. Now here also the same. Earlier we changed this one, then goods png, right? So there, here, just add this here also. Now refresh. Earlier we have 6 errors, now we have 5. Then next one is new.png, where it is, new.png, control F. .png. Now how to map this? These are in layout, image, then sale dot. Here also we need to add same thing. Why it is in front end, then rest of the things are common, same, no need to change. Now paste here also. Now earlier we was I think 5 errors, right? No, it is, we need to check for this skin.css. We are unable to find this really where we are using this. Okay, and then up.png. I think this is, research it again, up.png in entire solution. Yeah, we got the result here and we are using this. It's not, no, it is not this case. Okay, here we are using, now again it is assets, then UI, save, and we check it out whether it is available or not. Assets, UI, front need this image. So what we do, okay, I'm going to search here whether here is available or not. It is in assets, then front end, then layout, then image, then no, we don't have. Oh, don't. Here also we don't have. No. Then where it is? Okay, let me search in Google. Media up.png, right? So google.com, then make here up.png. So anything you can take. So we take this, right? So now save this one on desktop. Make this one as off. So then copy this. Maybe this is not suitable for this thing, but we change later. Paste here. Now we have pub.png also. Now once you refresh, the countdown is 2. Okay, now we search for blank.gif. So come here, Control F, blank.gif in entire solution. We got the result here where we are using blank.gif here. Blank.gif, where it is available, we need to find out. Badly we are in jQuery.fancybox, where it is global plugin, and here we have. Okay, so better to give the complete path. Then assets, then UI, and this time it is global, then plugins, then fancy box, then source. This is one, and the second one is here, layout slider. Okay, whatever it may be, just give the complete path. And here also, then here also. Save, and now the countdown should be 1, but still it is showing 2, right? Assets UI, somewhere we are calling this one blank.gif. See how I am going to fix. Go to the file explorer, copy the path. Now here we have blank dot, this one. Now paste the complete path here. something something went wrong. You need to make your selection. Okay, so we see what is going wrong. Okay, now here we need to make this one up to here, please. Now copy this here and here and finally here. Where is fancy box? Save and refresh. Check whether it's fixed or not. No, not fixed. CSS. So this time search with this. An entire solution. So we are unable to find this one, but what we can do, nothing we can do because we don't have this type of path at all. So what we do, click this, now this, it is trying to fetch like this. So there it is calling. No. So we are unable to find these two things. The first one is skin.css and second one is blank.gif. Anyway, this is for today. So try to do the same from your end. Tomorrow we see how we can use the routing and the stuff. Okay, see you tomorrow.